hardly call me these days. Lucia.
I'm sorry, my friend. But my mother-in-law has been with us.
Well, I understand. You know, I don't blame your mother-in-law for what she's doing. That's what she's supposed to do now.
Ned, you know the worst part is that this woman married a wife for my husband.
Eh? Hey! Huh? You mean Herod now has a second wife?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't allow her to stay in the house. Both I and my husband, we refused. We sent her back to the village immediately. We didn't allow her to spend the night in the house, so under my roof. Me? No, now. No.
Thank God, though. Ha! You see, Lucia, you see why I've been telling you that you should consider this IVF of a thing. These people will drive you out. They will throw your things out of your husband's house one day.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I have decided with my husband to go for IVF.
Too much enemies. Too much enemies.
Yes! That is a good start.
What is a good start?
What you just told me now.
What did I just tell you?
That you and your husband has considered going for the IVF.
I said that. Why would I say a thing like that when... Why would I even say a thing like that when I and my husband have not even concluded? Me personally, I'm the problem. I'm the problem.
See, memory loss or something. I don't get it. You just told me that you both have agreed and now...
I said... Hey, that's your outfit we kept. We still kept it for you. Do you still want them?
Which outfit?
The one you chose the last time now. Those turkey wears. There's a customer that is showing interest too. I don't want to sell it.
Well, I think I need them partially.
Come on, I know you like it. Remember the blue, the way it fits you. Bring your card, let me collect money.
This girl, you want to finish my money. I'm not the one that asked you to open boutique.
Bring your card now, my friend. Jesus, akamdinelu. Jesus, ikberem dinalai. Jesus, akamdinelu. Jehovah mo, ikberem dinalai. Akamdinelu. Akamdinelu. Ibelem dinalai. Jesus, Akamdinelu, baby.
What's the celebration?
Baby, God has done it.
Really? What?
Baby, I missed my period. I am pregnant. I am pregnant. Yes, I am pregnant. I am carrying your child, baby. Finally. Having a baby. Can you believe that? Pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes, baby, I am pregnant.
Cause she's got a good.
Oh my God,
Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this.
Yes! I know. I'm so happy. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, babe.
Henceforth, no more choice for you. Okay? You are not going to do anything rigorous again. Okay? I will do all the cleaning. I will do all the cooking for you. Whatever you want, I will do it. Okay, my love? You're having a baby.
You're having a baby.
Finally!
Okay.
Ha!
I was supposed to be jumping, right?
Oh, yeah.
Babe, I'm so happy. I'm so ecstatic. I am joyous. God has done it.
I know it's a twin. I believe that. I can feel it inside of me that you're carrying a twin. You are not going to do anything rigorous. You're not going to ruin this for me. I want this babies. God, finally.
Oh, God. What?
Oh, my God. It was Jehovah. Otu siri masi Jehovah. Imamaya, 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 Jebube. Imamaya, Imamaya, Imamaya,
Jebube.
Otu siri masi Jehovah. Otu siri masi Jehovah. Imamaya, Imamaya, Imamaya,
Jebube.
Imamaya, Imamaya,
Imamaya, Jebube. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable, baby! Baby! Do I need to spell it out?
I guess the outcome is not favorable.
It's not.
But why now? It's supposed to be positive. Why now?
No, I don't understand. I have to see Dr. Michelle.
What exactly is the result saying?
It is negative.
It cannot be negative again now. What's going on? For 3 months you did not see your menstrual flow. The early morning sickness, the nausea, the spitting, the vomiting, what was all that for? What now?
What have I done wrong? Why is this happening to me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why is this happening to me? I don't know. What did I even say? And he failed. Baby. I just want to give you a child. I want to give my husband a child.
Babe, look, this is not the time to cry, okay? Let's call Dr. Michelle. I'm sure a scan will be able to tell us what the issue is. Sorry. It's okay.
Okay.
Mr. and Mrs. Ikechukwu, the result of the scan is out.
So, what does the result say? Is it positive or negative?
The result of the test is not favorable at all.
How do you mean, doctor?
There is no pregnancy.
It's a lie. I am 3 months pregnant.
Dr. Michelle. It's a prank, right? You're joking, right?
No jokes. I am surprised myself. Please.
Doctor, if I am not pregnant, what did happen to my monthly flow?
That is strange to us. We are still researching on that. But I promise you, we are going to do something to retrieve your monthly flow. Please, you have to take it easy. Don't be too hard on yourselves, okay? Harold, please, you have to be a man. Lucia, take it easy, okay?
Nobody deserves this.
Sorry. I'm here with you, it's fine. It's just a bad dream, okay?
Yes.
It's just a bad dream, calm down. Calm down.
Baby.
Yeah?
It was so scary.
Okay, tell me about it.
I saw myself carrying a baby. Standing beside a well. And then I saw Kester. He snatched the baby from me and pushed me into the well.
Kester?
Yes. Baby.
Yes, my love.
Do you think Kester could be responsible for our childlessness? Huh? Oh my God.
What?
Oh my God. I remember I had an encounter with a madman. One of those days I was coming back from the hospital.
What kind of encounter?
Baby, he called me by my name.
Look, babe. And you're sure that prior to him calling your name, while you guys were discussing, you did not
Mention my name?
Yes.
No, I remember vividly. I never mentioned my name. He called me Lucia. And then he asked me for 100 naira. I remember I didn't have 100 naira in my bag. I had 1,000 naira and I gave it to him. As he was about to leave, he turned and said to me, "Beware of your friends." Yes, he said it. He said it,
And
baby.
you did not think it wise to tell me this.
Oh my God, I forgot. Oh my God. Kester, why? Why is Kester doing this to me? Why is he doing this to us?
Babe, no, don't do that. Let's not jump into hasty conclusions yet. Don't do that. Come. It's just a dream.
Scary.
I know. Nothing will happen,
Tears
okay?
in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help wherever, however, whoever. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this and lie away. Whoa. What has she
I honestly do not know what to make of this.
What is her crime?
You appear pregnant, but scan says otherwise.
I am as confused as you are.
This is really, really killing me. Like, Dr. Michelle says you're not pregnant, that you only have a bloated tummy. How is that even possible? If the scan says you're not pregnant, then what do you have in your tummy? If you do not have children in there, what exactly is in your tummy?
I don't know. The say I am not pregnant, but I feel all the signs of pregnancy.
Yeah, come in!
She's there. Oh, good afternoon. Sis, how did you go? They said your sister is not pregnant.
No, but that is not true. Obviously you are pregnant, okay? Sis, calm down. Look at me. Just look at me. You are a strong woman, okay? I've seen you do things and you've done them successfully. This too shall pass. God will surprise you and shock your enemies the more.
No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve to be treated this way. Yeah.
So crying, it's okay.
She deserves better. With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart. She never bears no grudge. She's ready to
Baby.
love.
Yes, my love.
I've been doing some thinking lately.
Okay, what is it?
You know, my pregnancy is getting to 9 months.
Yeah, that's true.
I would need help around the house.
My goodness. Gosh, it's like you've been inside my head. I've been thinking about the same thing too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
See? Husband and wife.
Always thinking the same thing.
Same
I
thing.
know, right? So, is there someone you have in mind? Because I know your sister is totally out of it. That one is a busy type.
Regina.
Hi, Regina.
Because Regina is my closest friend. She will take care of me.
Okay. Well, if you say so. The only problem now is, do you think she would want to move in with us?
Leave that to me. I'll beg her. She will.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're always welcome. Anything for you, my love.
Oh.
What is it?
It's not me.
You are not about to ask for something
It's
else.
the baby. It's not me.
Okay, what does the baby want again?
Baby is saying he wants suya.
Su what?
Suya.
Su.
Yeah.
Suya.
Yeah.
No problem. I'll get to see you. This one. This one. No problem. I'll get to see you.
What is her crime? Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this. Nobody can take this and lie away. From the soles of her feet to the top of her head, she is the epitome of beauty and grace. With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart, she never bears no grudge. She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help wherever, however.
Where are you here?
Yes, Auntie Regina. Good evening.
You're welcome.
How is my sister?
I'm afraid nothing has changed.
You mean there's no sign of flavor till now?
None at all. Your sister is gradually going down.
God forbid, Auntie Regina.
I don't know, I think this is not ordinary. This is not, it's not good. I feel this is not ordinary.
Yes.
This pain is too much.
Auntie Vina, nothing is certain. I know that God is going to fix this. Whoever that has a hand in whatever that is wrong with my sister will definitely be exposed.
Amen. Amen. This is too much for one person.
Did you know how long has she been like this?
I told you over the phone. She has been like this for a while now. No improvement at all.
Auntie Gina, I must say thank you to you. Thank you so much for accepting to move in with them, at least to keep an eye on her. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough.
You don't need to thank me. I am like a sister to her.
Auntie Gina, I know. Even at that, I still have to thank you. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please keep taking care of her for me. Anyways, I'm spending the night here. I'll be staying with you guys tonight.
That's fine. Let me check something I was doing.
It's fine.
Trying to force myself to sleep while you cut me shut deep.
Bad things and you did not know. It's me. Every time you're the only one that is always attracting good things. What about me? I beg, remove your hand from my shoulder and walk properly now. Stop embarrassing me here.
Insult me. Yeah? Insult me very well. It's not your fault. Don't blame you.
You know that high heels is not for you. Every time you keep on buying it. Eh? See the way you're embarrassing yourself. Stop buying high heels. High is not for you. But no, you want to be outstanding. You are the one that is taller than everybody. You want to just be Okuro or Karisia.
Jealousy. Jealousy. You are just jealous that I'm taller and finer than you.
Please remove this thing and walk barefooted.
Wait! I should remove this. I should walk barefooted.
Yes, now it's not better than walking like a crocodile like this. It's not better.
God, you are seeing this, my friend. If you can just send me one helper, one lift, one very fine canna that will just help me home. Suffer is not good for me.
So this is what is hungering you, Abi? You are just looking for a fine car that will come and carry you. You don't even know that these men that drive fine cars, they are ritualists. So they will come and pack her, you will not enter. They will use it for blood money.
So shall they take me home first, Abi?
How's your uncle?
They will take us home.
You and who?
Don't you want to enter fine car?
Who want to enter fine car? Look at this girl, don't go and fall me inside gutter. I don't have strength, I've not eaten, no.
Stop now. You walk small, you're walking too fast now. Walk now.
You said I should walk small that I'm walking too fast. Now I'm walking small. You said I should walk. Oh. Well, which one is your own?
Just walk moderate. No, my baby.
Since you are falling, two of us will fall today. Hey! I should go and bring your... Okay. Okay, you see your own. Okay.
You help me now. Which kind of friend are you?
I'm not the one that has to go and hide.
Hey, beautiful.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I could tell you were struggling to walk with your shoes. Is everything okay?
My shoe really hurts. It's uncomfortable.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Can we get a ride in your car?
Oh, yeah.
You are who?
It's fine. Wherever you want to go, I'll take you to. Come on, hop in.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure about it. Come on, let's go.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hey, sorry. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry, darling.
Thank you.
So sorry.
Thank you, brother.
No, don't call me brother. Call me Harold.
Okay, thank you, brother Harold.
No. Just Harold. Harold is fine.
Thank you, Harold.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
So, hop in. Let's go. Come this way.
Let's go.
Yangu, do you know if he's a ritualist?
You remembered I said a prayer a while ago. I said God should send a helper. This is the helper. Enter the car now.
You are the one that prayed. I did not join you in praying.
Hello, sorry. Look, I'm not a ritualist. I just want to help you and your friend, okay? Everything is fine. Just calm down. Okay?
I did not join you in praying.
Hello, relax. Come on, just calm down. Sorry, you can come this way.
I did not beg you to enter his car. I covered this car with the blood of Jesus. Any spirit of rituality because my head is full for them to use. This shit, I cover you. Thank you. Now anything they want to put in this shit, they will not see. Sorry.
Just relax, there's nothing.
No, just pray. That's how we should. You two got married. And I swore that you will never hear the cry of a baby in your house. Never! No. I loved you. But I hated you. I hated you with everything.
People do not know the bad things that I do. I did plenty bad things.
Why?
Did you see Kester? I projected Kester to be the enemy. Whereas Kester only problem is jealousy. That boy is jealousy. Nobody used to shame man that used to
Jesus, why?
Huh?
Why?
You say why? Look at your sister, he's asking you stupid questions. You say why? Why would your sister be asking that kind of question? Only your sister went to law school. He graduated his first class upper. He then go to Lagos to go and do that thing they used to call. What they used to call it again? Lawyers, law school. Lover school.
She now went to that one. She went to the school, law school. She now went there, graduates. After graduating, he got married this fine man. Now married this handsome bobo.
I've been
For heaven's sake, my sister, you know the reason why you're not married. I hate her. Why would you make such wickedness for somebody that loves you?
Sure. I am friend enemy.
I am not her sister. I hated her with everything. I have been the one doing all the bad things. So she's been trying to do all the bad things. You know I have innocent face. So if I'm doing all the bad things, nobody is innocent. A pity. She has agreed to go for the IVF.
What do you want me to do to her this time? Do you want her dead?
No. Please, I don't want to kill anybody. Please, no. Please, I don't want to stain my hands with blood. I want you to make her suffer. She must not have a child. She won't hear a cry of a child in her house. Never. I heard that mother-in-law has gone to marry another wife for her son. But that one is not enough for me. I want her to suffer very well. I want her to be humiliated in that marriage.
What exactly do you want?
I want you to make sure that IVF does not work.
I will do exactly as you say. Of course, you know my price.
Akpiti, are you the one talking like this? Have I ever owed you for one day? Money is not the problem. I just want you to do a very clean job for me. Since her period, I don't want that IVF to work. That IVF must not work.
I will do that which you seek for. Akwa was on row. A dot said the onward tefimum. A dot said the onward tefimum. I saw a ball and you get them like a bubble wafer. Afameko saying it down. Call her name 3 times.
Lucia! 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 Apiti, there is problem.
Speak.
I thought you said you blocked her womb. How come she's pregnant?
Are you sure about this?
I am very sure.
She can never be pregnant.
She is pregnant, Apiti. I saw her with my 2 eyes. She is pregnant. Heavily pregnant. Ha! Apiti, she must not give birth to that child. Oh. I don't know whether your something is not working again. Please, so you have to do something. Eh? She must not give birth to that child. I will not agree, oh. Because this is what I told you right from time and you assured me. Now it's like your assurance is not failing, no. Ha!
There is no cause for alarm. Akwaibo at Mario, who did do egg and we get there. At you abo, I can boo of a mate infant. Take this bead.
What am I to do with this bead?
Wear it on your wrist.
What is this used for? I don't understand.
As long as you have that bead on your wrist, she can never put to bed. For the day she does, you shall run mad. Now go. Go.
I've struggled myself already. You cannot struggle me. Don't waste your energy for the next time. I told you don't waste your energy. I've struggled myself. She did not know. I think I'm trying to waste my energy. How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? It's me that is wicked. Big Stacy and Mosho. We are friends in this life. We are friends and enemies. People like you are very money in this world. Yes, we will be following people who think that we like them, we don't like them, we hate them, but we'll be pretending. We will not be doing the bad thing behind their back. They used to call us friend enemies. That's what I am. This I want to
apparently, I get the man of God that told me everything.
I'm posing for picture.
And I was shocked to my bones when he told me that this useless creature here is the one responsible for my sister's predicament.
I should have known. I should have known. I should have known.
Today you know that I'm useless. You are saying you should have known. You should have known since now. I was showing you to people, but you forget. You'll be doing negligence.
He told me to rush home and cut the bitch she's wearing on her hand. That was why I did what I did.
That's what it. I've been nervous. Sabinwa. I've been nervous. Nonsense. I should have known.
I should have known.
The baby is coming. Push. Open your leg, oh. Don't kill yourself. If you don't open your leg now, your pikin will die in your belly. You will die for your belly. See his leg. He's born. He wants to born pikin. He's born pikin. Look at pikin now. Pikin want to born pikin now. He's born pikin. He want to born children. It's me that do her. It's me that do her bad thing. She not, yes. I carry her to a native doctor. I'm not trying to tie her belly.
Hey.
Not tie her belly. See, it's me. Listen to me. I tell her go native doctor. Native doctor press. They press her belly. They not tie her belly. I will not born again. Because he used to pump too much. The belly used to pump to keep too much.
Oga! Hey, madam! Hey, madam!
Calm down, calm down.
No, I'm not going to hold you. Oga! Leave me alone, leave me alone. Hey, okay, madam. Madam.
You know how to marry black wife. They will burn out. You must burn out. Pino. You must burn out. Pino. I know you got burn out. Pino. You know Papa. You Papa. I'll be one.
Jesus! What do I do? I'm confused.
Hey, brother, go to the doctor.
Sorry, madam.
Okay.
Brother, what is the name now?
Dr. Michelle! Yes. It's my wife. She's giving birth. She's giving birth at home. You say, what do I do? I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Are you coming to the house or should I bring her to the hospital? You say what?
Hey, brother, now let's go.
That's how you go between anyhow. Why are you backing? You don't know that shall give birth to a child. You are here backing anyhow. She born pikin. You get born pikin. You are here talking anyhow. You are backing. Who your own? You that backing. When you get born pikin, 2 children, you not back. Now come to your house to come and greet you. You are backing. Very wicked man. You am I your mate? Am I your mate? Who your host? After I will be angry now. I will sit down here. I will not go anywhere. Come and pursue me. Look at his tongue. Look at his mouth. Nonsense person. You are telling me who your host? Who your host? It's only you that know how to do. When were you just now when she gives belly, she not born 2 children. You not do anything but me that I'm here. I did not born 2 children. You are doing me. You are doing me. You said that we do you. As you do me, God will do you. You will do your own. You want to bite my nyash, God will bite your nyash. You will not bite my nyash. Nonsense. Wicked person. You are not my friend again. I will just get out of here. You are not my friend. Wicked soul. You are not my friend. I want to go and meet somebody that will not disappoint me. You disappoint me. Don't come and bite me. You want to bite my nyash. You cannot bite my nyash. Nonsense. I will go and report you to my mommy.
From the soles of her feet to the top of her head, she is the epitome of beauty and grace. With tears in her eyes, pain in her heart, she never bears no grudge. She's She's ready to love whenever, however, wherever it takes. She's ready to help wherever, however, whomever you are. She will never, ever, ever disappoint. She's got a good heart. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve this. No, she don't deserve to be treated this way. Yeah, she deserves better. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves to be treated this way. Nobody can take this. Nobody can stand this. Nobody can take this and lie away. Whoa. What has she done? What is her crime?